Let's walk through the approval process for install contracts. The setting is here in the EPC settings, and it is right here under Agreements, Create Install Record, and Send to Customer. So here you are going to be able to choose when you want the install record to be created and the copy of the contract sent to your customer. So you can choose to have this all be done when the contract is signed by the customer, approved by an admin, or processed by an admin. I have mine on approved, so let me go ahead and show you what that looks like. All right, now that's been signed. You'll see that on my deal, even though the contract is signed, the install record has not been created yet. That's because that contract has not been approved by an admin. So to find those contracts, once you have that setting turned on, you'll go to the EPC settings and then install contracts. Here's a list of my install contracts that need to be approved. So I'm going to go ahead and review this. If I were to click approve, it's going to go ahead and create that install record. It's also going to email the customer a copy of their contract. If I click deny, it's going to void the contract, remove it from my queue, and tell the sales rep why it's denied. Then the rep is going to have to go back, create a new one, and have the customer re-sign. In this box, I'm able to enter in a reason for denying the contract and then click save to deny it. I'm going to go pull that deal back up so you can see how it looks once the contract's been denied. You will now see that the proposal has been unfinalized and the contract has been voided. Enabling contract approval really adds an additional layer of control to your install process.